guys, how many of us have a friend named Bobby? This story's for you. I'm Tim Webb, president and founder of equivaQ software, otherwise known as the Q. So today's story has to do with who we all grew up with, whose name was Bobby. And whenever Bobby was young and going through elementary school, junior high, and high school, they went by Bobby. And then somehow we reconnected with him on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever, 10-year reunion, 20-year reunion, 30-year reunion. You end up reconnecting with them, and they now go by Robert. And so you wonder, who's Robert? So Robert is who they go by now, but we have such a difficult time making that transition and calling them Robert now instead of Bobby. So we call that the Bobby principle. Processes that we've always done a certain way and we just don't want to change. We've got some issues with, I'm really comfortable doing things a certain way. But it's our job as the PDM consultants and as also process consultants to help them to make that transition from Bobby to Robert. So what is that? How do you apply that in everyday life? If you've always had processes of using the file system and the file name and putting the rev in the file name, but when you really get down to it and you're using PDM, you gotta use the data card, right? Data card offers a lot of flexibility within PDM for searching, for reporting, so much more scalability and taking that data to the next level for consumption. We gotta use that data card. So what do we do with the Bobby principle and work that we deal with every day with SOLIDWORKS PDM? We raise awareness, we communicate, we provide tools that make sense in the world of manufacturing with our customers. So really it's up to us, the ones who understand Robert and who Robert is now, to help them transition from the Bobby to the Robert. Again, if you're dealing with the Bobby principle, stay tuned. Connect with us on Facebook and on Twitter. Follow us on our newsletters and keep up with us. We can help you with tools and solutions that'll really make sense to help you make that transition from Bobby to Robert. All right, hope that helps somebody out there. Believe in the Q.